Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see, it's actually a reaction channel and it's new, so please show some love, subscribe, or at least like this video. I'm gonna be posting reactions and every other basic things depending on what you guys want. Let's help grow this platform. So okay, before that I want to talk about how I recovered my hacked Instagram account in less than 24 hours with the help of Instagram, of course. So without further ado, let's get into this video. It was on, I think, April 26th. Yeah, 26th of April. I got hacked around 11 a.m. I don't even know why I'm giving all the facts, like as if I'm talking to the police. Well, okay, I just want to giving the time and facts, follow a certain sequence to let you guys know how I recovered my account in less than 24 hours. So that's why I keep talking about the dates and time. So yeah, if you came across this meme, like they say, these are the people that tell, these are the group of people who tell you to invest 100k and get 200k within 45 minutes, which is unrealistic, which is fake. In short, if you this is what they look like in their homes. So if anybody DMs you on Instagram, Facebook, wheresoever, talking about this, some even say 75 minutes, like this guy I was talking with, 75 minutes, they'll just interchange the time, whatever, because it's a scam, it's fake, guys. Don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. I don't even want to focus on the fact that I got scammed $35. I don't want to focus on that because all I wanted was my account. So I don't know. I don't want to focus on that because I was dumb enough to even believe this. Just some people are good at talking. It sounds so convincing. So this is what happened. This person started following me. This is the account. Manager Britain Petroleum CE. Guys, cancel. It's fake. Even report this account. I've been reporting. My friends have been reporting as well. So this is the stupid guy's number. It's a Nigerian. I think it's a group of Nigerian guys. Before I jump into this quick backstory, since he went around DMing people as he asked me, he left his number with one of my friends. That's how I got it. So this is it. Do whatever you want. I don't know. I even tried talking to the guy. Anyways, so this is what happened. This person started following me, DM'd me talking about this petroleum investment to invest 5k and get blah 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 da, da. So I was like, wow, with this pandemic lockdown, we are all like triggered when we hear any quick business, anything that can multiply your money. So that's how I was dumb enough to invest my $35 in something fake. But I don't want to stress so much on that. This guy asked for my email address. He said he wanted to lock me into their system. And I was like, what? Like, you told me. Anyways, long story short, I gave him the email address, and in my head it was like, it's just an email, even though I was skeptical about what he wants to do with it. It was just an email, and it was not my frequent or my main email address. But I also forgot, little did I know that it was linked to my Instagram. That's how I don't know, everything happened so fast. I just realized I was locked out of Instagram. So I was confused. I had to now create another account to alert friends that someone is going to DM you guys. Be careful, I'm not the one. It's a scam. He hacked me. Even on WhatsApp, the ones I'm connected with on WhatsApp, I had to reach out to them to also help me share on their story since we have mutual followers, so that they will not fall into this trap. So yeah, that's how we kept. I created another account, told them not to believe the guy, and yeah, we reported. I also reported the account as me, like reporting this account, pretending to be someone else, me. So yeah, I was locked out, and this is the first thing the guy. I noticed he posted this. I checked on my sister's phone and I saw he made this post. Feel like crying now, but it's all tears of joy. With 20k, I traded da 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 da. And then he thanked himself. He tagged himself several times, and then 10th of comments, so that my followers are going to see it and be like, wow, this is the guy. Like, he's directing them to his actual fake scam page. So this is it. It's all fake. I'm not even Nigerian, so he even put Nigeria da 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 da. I was like, So yeah, this is the account I created, and I had to report, kept reporting and reporting and reporting. And yeah, he was already DMing some friends, as you can see. Some could not believe it. Just like this one. They're like, please, where do you know? To be sure, never mind, blah 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 blah. So this is it. I was talking to them on WhatsApp real quick. And yeah, I had to now get help from Instagram help center. And this is what they told me, that they were going to, as I reported my account and then reported to them that someone hacked me pretending to be me and trying to scam. They sent me this, and then yeah, these were the requirements. I had to do a mugshot, includes my with my face on it, holding the sheet of paper with my full name and Instagram account name, and also a certain code that they sent to you. I had to cover it for security reasons, so they sent me a code. I included it and everything, and this is the mugshot. I couldn't really show everything, but yeah, I accepted all the terms, and then I submitted it around 8 p.m. in the evening, 8 p.m. in the night, sorry. And then the following day now, since I was still so I don't know if it's depressed or I just needed my account. I could not believe I was hacked just like that. I was about to redo this again because I sent this twice. I was about to redo it like so that they take me seriously. And when I was doing the second mugshot to send, I just got an email. This is the email around 1 p.m. in the afternoon. The following day, that's to say, I submitted at 8 p.m. and I got it at 1. That's 12 hours or 13 hours. That's how Instagram got back to me in less than 24 hours. I know for some people it takes 2 days, 7 days, as I've heard for some friends. 2 days, 7 days, and even more. I don't know. So yeah, around 1 p.m. Instagram sent me this message: thanks for verifying. You can log out of any Instagram account you're in, and then these are your logins. This was my name. You can change username if you want. They told me everything. So yeah, I got this message. I logged in. You can see the time, 1:22 p.m. Instagram from Facebook. So yeah, that's how I got back my account, and I had to just make a post to apologize for every inconvenience that everyone had. So yeah, what I can say is, guys, please link your Instagram to your Facebook. Also do your two-step verification. Very important. If I was linked to Facebook, I don't know, thank God for Instagram, they were able to review my own issue and restore my account as fast as possible. But also, it's advisable to link your Instagram to Facebook and do your two-step verification. Don't give your logins to people. Don't give your email. If you should give out any email, it should be maybe, I don't know. Don't give your logins. Don't give out your information, please. Your phone number or whatever thing that's linked to your account. Don't, please. You know, with this pandemic, with this COVID-19 lockdown, people are hustling in all ways, in all forms, scamming just to have money. So, and they know that people are also desperate and they'll try to believe, So, please, this is the guy. I don't know. And it's funny enough, I called this number. You know what he was like? Are you shouting at me? I was like, no, people hustle out here. They scam and then they leave. Why will you then hack my account? For what? You already had the $35. You already fooled me enough. I was dumb enough to believe you or to trust you. Now I even have 100% trust issues. Even though it's someone I don't know, but out here. I was like, give me back my account. And do you know what the guy said? He said I should give him $200. After he said, let me give $100 before he give me back my account. And when I was talking, because I was so bitter, I was angry, and before I forget, guys, I'm going to leave the help link in the description below. So, but hacked. If you know someone who's been hacked, another account to setting to your profile, go to my profile, down, setting, go to see and see. From there now they got Instagram that they have been hacked. In that temporary alternative account, sorry, you report that you've been hacked and then you follow the instructions that will be given to you. So yeah, please watch the full video. Tell us down below in the comment section how you got hacked or about a friend, what happened. So we should be alert. Yeah, the teeny time up, and this is my account. You can follow me. I'm going to leave the link in the description. So I was mad, like, okay, you succeeded, now you win, you scammed me, give her my account. He was like, are you shouting at me? Are you raising your voice at me? Whoa. I was like, I should apologize. I was on the phone with my sister. My sister said you should, they just started cursing out, like, get out. He asked me to give him money again. So I don't know. I had to just report the number on Instagram. On WhatsApp, sorry. I reported the number and I just blocked him. So yeah, these guys, very careful, guys. Be very, very careful. So I'm not stressing so much on the money. So yeah, but this is my. I know some people will be like, it's only for how many I. I know some people try to recover their accounts when they have, I don't know, 100k, 200k followers, 50k, whatever. But yeah, I just had my small normal girl account where I used to entertain myself on Instagram. So that's my current. I got back, I did my two-step verification, I linked my account to Facebook, and yeah, did my two-step verification. I already said that. Linked my account to Facebook, changed my passwords, changed my email, everything's changed, even my username. This is my account now. So yeah, that's how I recovered everything. I hope this video was helpful in one way or the other. Please smash the like button and subscribe, hoping for more videos. Bye guys.